If an HVAC business came to us and they told us that they were slammed with work that was causing no room for growth, and I could only look at one metric to fix it, I would be looking at their monthly billable hours per technician. When it's too high, you're going to have burnout and a shitload of callbacks. And when that number is too low, your overhead will eat you alive. There's only a tight range where technicians can be productive and sustainable. If you miss that range, growth turns into a complete mess internally and on your mental state of mind. Your growth is determined by running capacity at 80%, not 110%.